Dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll discuss 16th shloka of Isha Upanishad. You can recite the shloka with me. Pushanne karshe yamasurya prajapatte vyuha rashmin samuha tejo yatte rupam kalyanatamam tatte pashyami Yo savaso purushaha sohamashmi. Translation in English. O Sun, solitary traveler, controller of all, Surya, son of Prajapati, do remove thy rays and gather up thy dazzle. By your grace, I shall see your form, which is supremely benign. I am that person within thee. I think every child is curious about the sun. So I was when I was a child. Why does it rise from one direction and set in the opposite direction? Always wanted to see the soothing sun in the morning and in the evening. Even today, one of my favorite times of the day is either dawn or dusk, sometimes rising on the bed of the sea, or sitting behind a hill or a paddy field. My eyes were eager to see everything inside the sun. When I tried to see inside on a sunny afternoon, my eyes felt temporary blindness due to its dazzle. During winter, sitting for long hours under the sun was the best idle time. In summer, praying to sun god to be pleasant with all of us. In monsoon, searching for sun in the sky day after day. One of the most memorable days in my life was solar eclipse day. Prepared with X-ray film on my eyes and waited for hours for the perfect moment to get a glimpse of the diamond ring in the sky. What a heavenly moment that was. Before we understand this shloka, we recommend you to watch previous shloka to understand our real nature. And of course, other shlokas if you miss them. Links to those videos are given at the top right corner of the screen. Let's come back to shloka from my memory lane. Ancient sages understood our existence on this earth solely dependent on the sun. They composed hundreds of hymns for the sun and considered the sun one of the primary deities in Sanatana Dharma. They developed Surya Namaskar or sun salutation, one of the popular yoga asanas to stretch the body in front of the sun under the sun. In Ayurveda, according to the sun's position in the sky, our diet was recommended. You can find millions of pilgrims taking a sun bath daily in different pilgrimages in India. Surya Siddhanta, one of the earlier books on astronomy, was composed in Bharat, describes rules to calculate the motion of various planets and the moon relative to various constellations, diameter of various planets, and calculates the orbits of various astronomical bodies. It represents a functional system that makes reasonably accurate predictions. A few days back, ISRO launched its maiden solar mission Aditya L1 to study the solar atmosphere. It will be orbiting at about 1.5 million km from Earth in a halo orbit around the L1 Lagrange point between the Earth and the Sun, where it will study the solar atmosphere, solar magnetic storms, and their impact on the environment around the Earth. Because of modern science, we know the Sun mainly consists of hydrogen and helium gases. How the energy is transmitted through photons by the photosynthesis process in plants, and then all other animals, birds, humans under the food chain getting that energy. There are different dangerous rays like UV rays, X-rays, gamma rays, etc. coming out of the sun, and how our Earth's atmosphere is saving us from them. There is a lot more we need to know about the sun for the betterment of all the species on the earth. But this shloka is driving you inside the sun. That is impossible by any spacecraft because of the high temperature of the sun. Due to modern science, we know there is a core inside the sun, and that core has an astonishing temperature of 15 million kelvins. The Rishi is not talking about that core. He is asking to go deep, not what you are seeing. Go deep inside what you are not seeing. Every helium and hydrogen in the sun also consists of that. That being is the only one without which that sun would not illuminate. That supreme being is me. With the sun or me or anything else, everything is that supreme being, Brahman. When we are seeing the sun in the sky, we are seeing only one controller in perspective to earth, and it was formed from Hiranyagarbha or Prajapati, the embryo of energy before the Big Bang. There are many people who do not want human explorations in space. They feel countries like Bharat are wasting their funds unnecessarily. I would like to tell them, do not waste your time criticizing scientists and science explorations. If you don't want to witness these explorations, then you were born at the wrong time. Keep your eyes closed, keep your mind closed. Otherwise, knowledge will enter into you and illuminate your consciousness. The countries which are worried about Bharat's fund, they don't understand Bharat's mantra was always of one earth, one family. These explorations will not help only Bharatiyas, but help every species on this earth. So don't be divided into nations. Rather, join hands. On one side, we should know the physical aspect of the sun, and on the other hand, we should know the abstract aspect of the sun. Modern science is working on the first aspect, and the ancient Vedanta worked on the second aspect. Let me pray for all the critics. By sun's grace, you will see sun's form which is supremely benign. You are that person within thee. Dear viewers, be with us in this journey of Universal Vedanta Movement. Do not forget to share this video with your friends and families. Like the video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that as and when new session or video is released, you will get notified. If you have any question or want to share your thoughts, use the comment section for that. You may want to follow us on WhatsApp channel, Facebook, Instagram, X and Co. Links and QR codes are given on the screen. Thank you and have a great day. We'll see you soon in the next video.